But suddenly, I believe the adventure ride, whatever adventure we are doing, it has turned into a bromance ride. Suddenly, we are seated in this romantic weather, eating pizza. They are having orange juice. I have ordered a cappuccino.
क्या कल्चर है यार यहाँ पे बाइकिंग का। इतने बाइकर मेरे को पूरे साल में नहीं दिखते, बताइए हैम्बर्ग में। एग्जैक्ट दिन में मैंने देखे।
छपरी, आज छपरी राइडर ऐसा ऐसा पैर बाहर निकाल के चलाएगा मैं। What we have today, we are blessed to have a 1300 GS in our garage, and some of you might have already recognized this bike belongs to Mr. Manil. And what a way to ride, yaar. He is traveling all the way from Hamburg, almost 850 kilometers to where I stay, and I happen to be in between his destination. He is going to Dolomites, and yeah, that makes me a bit jealous because even I wanted to join him, but some commitments. Soon. That's supposed to happen. Soon we will be going on a ride, and not just a ride, but an adventurous ride, a fun ride. And yeah, let's see when that happens. As of now, just this baby is warming up. Today I thought, why not? Let's go. It's her time today. So I will be kind of going to Austria just to flag him off. I've ridden the GS yesterday, and then this bike, you got to be so careful. So I'm not going to go far away. Just maybe a 1 hour ride. This is one of the shortest ways how one can time travel. How it was back then to ride such old babies. Still running hard. I got to see the fuel level, how हाँ
डाल रहा है क्या तू?
हाँ इधर सस्ता है।
अच्छा, कभी भी पेट्रोल डालना उतर के डाल।
ओके, रीजन
एकदम से अगर आग लगा ना कभी भी,
हाँ गुड
पास उतरने का टाइम नहीं
रहेगा। See, this is what experience does to you. You're always supposed to take some things when someone says, at least acknowledge those things. It comes out of a lot of experience when such a fellow rider tells you to do these things. Respect. It will take us 17 minutes to reach, and we'll see Abbas there. This is one avatar of having a GS, with this setup, going on a ride. More than the ride, I believe the feeling is so satisfying, man. To gear up, to put all the stuff, to rig all the gear. That feeling is out of the world. On that note, let's begin. Look at her purring. One self, 40 years, and she's ready to go. Oh, the pickup of this machine. The moment you pull the throttle, it makes you forget all the other machines. Oh, I love you. For this bike especially, I think so I want to change the camera angle. So from the other end, I have no place to install the 360, what I have. ये जानबूझ के लोगो निकाला है ताकि लोगों को ना पता चले कि कौन सा है. But this is a Peugeot or a Fiat. Look at them. All Harleys. Hey, where is Manil? Where did he disappear? This is a big problem, yaar. Before the next ride, we are supposed to figure out a solution so that our intercoms are connected. This is a huge trouble. So I know that petrol pump. I guess Manil does not know about this. So I don't know how are we going to navigate now. I cannot see him in the mirror. Okay, yeah, I can see him blinking. That's good. That's good. Let's go.
तो बोल रहा हूँ तुम लोग भी चलो यार। मजा आता था।
छपरी राइडर ऐसा पैर बाहर निकाल के चलाएगा मैं।
और रोके पुलिस तो नहीं रुकने का, नंबर प्लेट पे पैर रख लेता,
हाँ, बस ऐसा पीछे से पैर रखेगा,
घुमा के पैर रख लेता।
नहीं तो ऐसा है ना 50 यूरो का नोट दिखाएगा, ए जाने दे जाने दे जाने दे ले।
तेरे को किधर मिला क्या बीच में?
अभी तो
अरे साथ में ही मिला ना हम लोग दोनों को कल।
साथ में था।
सुबह ये किक से क्या कर रहा था तू?
वो उसका स्टार्टिंग का वैसा है, ये कार्बोरेटर्स है ना, तो मैं जब घर पे जाऊंगा ना, तो गैराज के एंट्रेंस पे मैं ये कॉक बंद कर दूंगा, तो देयर विल बी नो फ्यूल इनसाइड, सो इट इज ड्राई. When I have to start up the machine, I have to make sure that the fuel enters this thing. So before starting, just normally you kick it twice, thrice. That means the machine is at optimum condition with the fuel and everything, which you can start. Then how you start is you give the choke, full choke, एक या दो self, and then it starts. If you don't do these things, it will not start.
और इसका इंडिकेटर इधर है क्या?
नहीं, this is the steering damper.
स्टीयरिंग ट्रांसफर।
जो डैम्पर है ना, दिस इज, ये एक पे है, अगर मैं ये दो पे करूंगा तो ये स्टिफ हो जाएगा, अगर ये 0 पे करूंगा तो लूज हो जाएगा. और यहाँ पे कहीं पे एक स्क्रू है, यहाँ पे नीचे, दैट इज फॉर क्रूज कंट्रोल. 1983 वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट क्रूज कंट्रोल.
देखना अच्छा वॉच वगैरह
या दे हैव गिवन अ वॉच.
की बंदे ने क्या मेंटेन किया है यार बाइक, चुम्मा एकदम. इसका एक काउल इतना सेक्सी लगता है ना.
Carbon. Where is metal? Where is the metal in this bike?
भाई ये V4
आफ्टर मार्केट लगाया उसने,
हाँ,
10,000 का खर्चा किया है आफ्टर मार्केट पे.
7,000.
हाँ, वो पूरा चेंज ये सब आफ्टर मार्केट है.
टेल टाइडी सब, इसका टेल का भी कार्बन है. ब्यूटिफुल. Nevertheless, check our lineup.
अगर ठीक लगा तो आगे चल लियो.
मेरा सीन क्या है ना आबाश, की मेरे को अभी घर पे जाके नरेश के इधर गराज में डाल के मेरे को टायर निकाल के, कल मेरे को टायर कुछ भी करके चेंज करना है, तो मैं जीएस नहीं चला पाऊंगा भाई. और आगे चलाने को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
चलना यार, बहुत प्यारा रोड है यार.
अरे प्यारा रोड है भाई, मेरे पास पेपर नहीं है. जिसका पेपर पड़ा है उसका पहिया नहीं है.
इसका पेपर नहीं, दूसरे का पहिया. भगवान भरोसे जिंदा है तू.
We are reaching the Silverstein Speicher Bridge, one of the most happening spots of Bavaria for all the motorcycle enthusiasts, for all the petrol heads. You'll see a lot of riders, lot of car enthusiasts who come here, just wait, do burnouts, meet each other, and then we leave.
सेक्सी ब्रो. क्या कल्चर है यार यहाँ पे बाइकिंग का. इतने बाइकर मेरे को पूरे साल में नहीं दिखते, पता है हैंडबैग में.
एग्जैक्ट.
दिन में मैंने देखे.
प्यासे को ऐसे पानी मिल गया, ताजा पानी मिल गया.
नहीं बे, समंदर.
कौन सी जगह? आखन से है क्या?
नहीं आखंदे तो और. According to me, this is the most beautiful alpine lake. And I have been to many, but still this remains my favorite.
I was just telling Abash, whenever we come in this region, especially when I come to this region near Akanze, it always starts raining. Now it was sunny since morning and we had originally seated here. We are at a cafe which is called as the 968 meters cafe. The panoramic cafe on the edge of a mountain from where you enter into Innsbruck. So Innsbruck might be 30-40 kilometers from here, but this is the turning point where you just go down the mountain, you enter the we are already in Austria, but then you kind of enter the mainland Austria. This is my favorite halting spot because the pizzas here they are delicious, and kind of I know the people now, so every time I come with a group of riders or with my friends for that matter, I make it a point that I get them all here. Look at this. Where are we? See this. Special places, man. Have you got the rain gear?
There was not even a single chance of having rain today.
What I told you ridiculed me when I told you that whenever I come here, I bring the rain here somehow. Riding with
Some
me
essentials.
can open up all the possibilities. I'm telling you that. We have learned that yesterday. And I guess we have learned that in the last 1 or 2 years. Yeah. And now I have to be careful on that machine. Yeah. Not that I'm revving it so hard. I'm not cornering. I'm decent. I'm decent.
Then I don't think so you will be facing an issue.
And now we are going to have some good pizza. Pizza Diablo. आप ये हो if you eat margarita here. बोल देना उसको अभी. बोल एक बार तुरंत. Kannst du die auch Diablo machen?
Ja, ich.
Ja, hat die Diablo gesehen und sagt, also ich möchte Diablo essen. Bezahlt die Difference, ja?
Ja,
Danke, danke. Manil, मैं अभी बोला कि नहीं 15-20 मिनट पहले कि मैं इधर आता हूँ बारिश होता है.
और अभी कितनी कड़क धूप पड़ी थी और अभी बारिश आ रही है. Unexpected.
Unexpected. Unexpected, I feel in the recent years is becoming my middle name. Akshay Unexpected Lotankar.
Unexpected is becoming expected.
How many more kilometers you have to cover?
200.
200, ना?
चले वो 200 ऐसा हाईवे 200 नहीं है.
Hey,
1:30 बजे.
he's not riding a ZH2, okay? He's riding GS 1300. ऐसा करता है 100 kilometer done. ऐसा करता है 200 kilometer done. That is the beauty of riding a 1300, I tell you. No jokes. But suddenly I believe the adventure ride, whatever adventure we are doing, it has turned into a bromance ride. Suddenly we are seated in this romantic weather, eating pizza. They are having orange juice. I have ordered a cappuccino. And we are going to just stay here. At least me and Abbas, because we don't have the rain gear, so we'll have to wait. This is an example when you ride in Bayern. What happens with the rain is there is sunlight, but there suddenly comes a lot of clouds, and the clouds are trapped in all these high peaks, and then it rains. It rains a lot for a longer period of time. You see, in the beginning, this changed in 15 minutes. I love these kinds of things. This is so unplanned. So Manil, sad that I'm not being able to join you in the ride, but surely in the next ride we'll plan something.
Very
And I
soon.
hope you nice weather, unlike this one.
No, this is going to change.
You want, okay, fuck the weather. He wants this one. Always it should be raining for the next 7 days. All the passes should be full with snow. जब अच्छा बोल रहे ग्रेनेडियर. See, this is a new car. करेगा मैं ऐसा गाड़ी डिस्ट्रैक्ट कर देता है मेरे को. But anyways, coming back to the topic, so I hope he gets good weather, and yeah, you're going to probably the best locations in the world where people die to ride. Not literally, but people they want to ride there. This is what happens, when you don't have a script. But yeah, all the best, and looking forward to all the stories and photos. Enjoy. We are going to wait for some time until our bike kind of dries off, and then we are going to go back home. That's the plan. Hope we get the good weather along way. My bike does not have ABS or all the fancy things what Abbas's bike has. So Yeah, I'm going to be slow and steady.
चलो अभी प्रॉपर बाय करते हैं
अब तक क्या कर रहे थे ये ऐसा लग रहा है कि आई लिव अ रियल दैट वाज रियल ब्रदर ये ऑल द बेस्ट एंजॉय कर भाई और संभाल के तेरे को बोलने की जरूरत नहीं तू थोड़ा तरह चला तू बहुत संभाल के चला रहा है
मेरे लिए उल्टा है ना
हाँ तेरे लिए उल्टा है यू राइड अ लिटिल अग्रेसिव
चलो बाय बाय
ऑल द बेस्ट या सैड बट ऑल द बेस्ट
करते।
ऑल द बेस्ट यस यस पक्का एंजॉय कर मैसेज कर दियो पहुंचने के बाद
हाँ मैं कर
रोना बंद कर रही है ये बेचारा इमोशनल हो गया यार नहीं क्या
तो भाई रोना आ गया आपको
रोना आ गया मैन विश ना ऐसा एंड मोमेंट पे लगता है ना कि चलो यार जाते यार इटली
बारिश भी रुक गई हवा भी रुक गई
हाँ बट काइंड ऑफ अ फार अवे फ्लैग ऑफ था ये साला घर से 100-150 किलोमीटर दूर आके फ्लैग ऑफ दे रहे कि हाँ भाई जा करके इनफ अपना एक दिन का राइड हो गया
कैंपिंग उसके कैंपिंग के बगल में जाके खाए अबे वहां पे सकते थे
कैंप का तंबू गिरा के आते हैं ना अपन
अच्छे से रहना
अच्छे से रहना अभी आफ्टर 10-15 minutes this is the weather again we're squinting our eyes because it's bright yeah the sun is back so are we out the rain has gone along Italy along with Manil but I hope he gets good weather yeah it's important that you ride that's what we liked about him so it started raining no tantrums no I'll wait no straight away finished his lunch and he's off for his ride you know that's what make oneself a rider irrespective of what the conditions are, what the bike is, and it just matters what pains here, what do you feel here, and it comes out automatically. So on this note, I think so it's sensible to end this vlog here. We both will be going home from here. It's a 1.5 hour ride. Enjoy the remaining rest of the day. It's a Sunday. So gather the energy to face a Monday. See you next week. See you guys in the next adventure. Guys, keep rocking, keep enjoying, have fun, and ride safe. Bye.